What's up, traders? How's it going? We getting ready to lock in right now. Here's the play we have, guys. Let's see what we got going on. So as of right now, I think gold is going to sell from what I could see here. And I'm getting ready to send a signal for the team because price is exactly around the daily entry. So let's see what we got. Alright, there go all lines right here. Let's wait and see for the break and retest setups. Coming soon. Alright, let's see. The gold is looking pretty promising right now, but I think we can still get a little pullback. Waiting to see. Alright, almost there. Yo, what's good? Yeah, gold sell potential setup. I'm putting together the signal right here to see how it's gonna look once I actually send it. Almost ready, guys. Still looking at gold. That's the main first move I'm gonna take. But we about to lock in just a second. Finishing this up. Alright, almost done. Okay. All right. Let's lock in. So right now we got gold and NAS. We haven't really had a breakout in the market yet. First thing we're going to need to do real quickly is find the major areas of the market and see where price could go. So first one we're going to work on is gold. All right, let me put on some music while we do that. I just don't like to just make the vibe a little bit better. See if it'll work. Oh, it's not working. Gonna refresh. Alright. Connect. This is lock-in mode. Alright, so right now on gold, price is around the zone is consolidating, man. Alright, so I have it right here where we have our zones right here. So let's make this zone bigger because it's matching the daily area. Alright, so right here has been a lot of consolidation on gold. Now the main thing I need to do, especially around this time, is to know exactly where price is going to go. Alright, so we need to understand clearly where are we at right now and where are we going. Let's go ahead and hide all of our drawings for now. All right. We have a top resistance on here. This is where market started to sell. All right. Usually this was happening. Okay. Price goes from one area to the next area. In this scenario, that's 50 MA on the H4 time frame. Realistically, it's supposed to be going to the middle Bollinger Band, but if price is continuing on the uptrend, gold is going to stay above the 50 MA and look to continue going up. Now, the way the volume is looking and the crossovers on the stochastic, I'm leaning more towards the sell than anything. So here on the daily time frame, we do have a clean, smooth bottom on that candle. Usually when we have smooth bottom, that's a major sell candle coming. So we have to keep that in mind. Also as well, let's look at those stochastic here. All right, we're gonna look at those stochastic here and see what's going on. So the stochastic is this one right here. You see the crossover right here that we have? This crossover is just letting me know we can potentially head towards this area here in the middle stochastic. That area in total would be, I'm gonna show you how much of a movement that would equal to. Alright. Realistically, it will look like this. TP. TP1 on a swing trade. TP2 right here. Now, we don't know for sure yet exactly where the direction is going to go, okay? So that's just how it looks on the daily. So on the H4, it did the same thing, but it already reached 50 MA, which is right here. On the daily, it have not reached 50 MA yet. So once price crosses over this 50 MA, once price breaks lower at this 50 MA, we definitely going for a sell all the way down here. So I'm going to go ahead and have an uptrend line as well, just so I know when the price breaks, that's time to go. And then right here on the weekly time frame, this is how it look. We're already looking very bearish on the weekly time frame. Take a look at those stochastic as well on the weekly time frame. It's been doing lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, essentially overall going lower low. Once price breaks, fully breaks this moving average here on the stochastic, then we're going to start getting some nice sells, just like we see on the daily time frame on the stochastic, just like that. All right, again, we still earlier in the month. We haven't had a move on the month yet. So overall, this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We still could have a major drop for the month, but I don't know just yet exactly what's gonna happen. But for now, it's looking very bearish the way the daily candle is starting. So here's what I'm gonna do, just based on this information. I already noticed, all right, that price is going to go down, but I need more confirmation. How do I get the confirmation? So on the daily, I already know where we at. On the H4, this is how it looks. I'm gonna draw an uptrend line. On H1, price reached the middle Bollinger Band. It's in the middle. All right, right now, the area we are at on gold is a complete consolidation phase, and it looks like this. Okay, that's a consolidation phase. We don't know how long this consolidation phase is going to go on for. But when it's time to go for a breakout, it's going to do a major move. So overall right now on the H1 it reached its destination. Let's see on the 30. So on the 30, I'm noticing something very interesting. Alright. On the 30, I'm seeing that price, okay, is fully underneath middle Bollinger Band on the 30-minute time frame. So that's a major resistance zone for us, meaning take profit could be down here for gold. So with that being said, now that I'm seeing this, the next thing to do is do my zone, create my zone, and plan out exactly where I'm going to enter the sell, since I'm looking for sells right now based on what this thing is showing me. Alright, the next thing I want to look at on the indicator is just to see what color are my candles from the higher time frame and up. Okay, so from the higher time frame and up, let's see what type of momentum we having. Right now, all green bullish on gold. Weekly, all green bullish. Daily, all green bullish, so we still good for that uptrend. H4, we are now having some white candles showing potential change of direction for a sell. Okay, H1, let's see, all red bearish candle on the H1, 30. All red bearish on the 30, that's good. 15. All not fully all red bearish, is just consolidating. All red bearish on the 5-minute. Right underneath the resistance zone again right now. So this is close to the daily entry. This is where a good entry could be called here. Let me see. It's looking very good. Okay, let's see. If price breaks this trend, then it could go down. Let's see. 5-minute time frame. It's underneath the moving average. So yeah, it's looking very promising. But let's go ahead and finish. It's not fully on a ready for a sell trend yet on the H4 and daily. But that's gonna play out later on by itself. Let me zoom in. Alright, H1. This is how I look. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring our drawing back. Alright, this trend line was already broken. I'm going to do another one again. And that's me being super safe on the confirmation to make sure we are selling before I pull the trigger. Alright, this trend line that I did before was definitely broken into. And then now as well on the daily time frame, it's looking like a very nice bearish candle starting off. So I'm going to go ahead and send this signal to you guys. And we're just gonna lock in on that trade. That'll be the first attempt for the week, so it's a good attempt. Worst case scenario from what I could see here. Let me see. Going to test this area here. Key zone entry low. It's a lot of pips. All right, this is how it looks here. The 5 minute is looking very bearish. It's looking like it's ready to go. Okay. It is looking very bearish. All right, I'm gonna pull the trigger on this. Except I'm seeing a major support zone on that 15. You see that line right there? This is what's gonna push price back up. But if price could break that, that'd be great. Alright, you see how strong this support zone is? So yeah, that's why I want to call the trade, but at the same time, I know it's like, I don't want to call a trade and still be stuck in consolidation. But at the same time, I'd rather that than missing the move. Alright, so we got this. Alright, there's a chance, there's a possibility price can go ahead and test the key zone low before actually trying to do a move. So we'll wait and see. Yeah, right now the sell look good, but I don't feel like it's a A+ setup right now, to be honest. I don't feel like it's a very clean setup because we are literally in a consolidation. So price could literally just go up and down, up and down. Yeah, it's not ready. Could be later. Later it could be ready. Yeah, gold. Look, if you take the trade now, you could get a good entry, but around time like this, gold would be moving much smoother than this. So that tells me we still in a consolidation phase, but we are right underneath the Bollinger Band on the 30-minute time frame. So overall, we could definitely look for a nice sell. If anything, we could get a nice re-entry opportunity back at daily entry. If anything, so I'm probably gonna send a pending order for the sell on this one. But let's see. Let's see. adding this resistance zone line there. I really think we could go up there and test that middle Bollinger Band. So that's where pending order is going to be, guys, to be honest, on this potential setup for me. Yeah, gold is not. It's not like if I don't feel excited about it right now, that's mean it's not ready. Like there's that feeling you get, guys, when it's time. You feel it. I think it's gonna go for a buy. Pay attention. Alright. Gold is buying now from what I could see. Nas is gonna consolidate too until later on, and then AM next day. Yeah, the way this is moving right now. For now, I think gold is going to buy. I have a nice pending order area for it though. I'm gonna send it to you guys. It's gonna be exactly at this line up there. Let's see. Alright, it's dropping. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna have a breakout from what I'm seeing here. All right, let's see. All right, so I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of hard to tell exactly what gold is going to do right exactly right now because it's just in the consolidation phase. But I do think most likely the sell will happen than any other move. Yeah, I'm really looking right now to see it's just really consolidating. So when market is going slow like this and consolidating, we don't rush our trade. We kind of sit on our hands until everything is clear, and then we strike with fierce. Right now, it's not clear because it's looking like a sell, but at the same time, that strong support on the 15 is not letting it go, and we could possibly get a retest up there. I would feel a lot more comfortable for the sell here than here for right now. Price is underneath 800 MAs though on the 1 minute time frame, so it's tough. I haven't really pulled the trigger on any setup yet, just yet. Still kind of watching it. Oof, it's looking very bearish on the H4, guys. No lie, looking very bearish. All right, we're gonna pull the trigger for a sell. And that'll be the first attempt for the week. Let's see how that goes and plays out for us. Let's hope this support zone is not too much of a hassle. I'm gonna send the pending order though, just in case it goes a little faster than expected. Let's see. There's like a huge support on that 15. That line right there is holding it back. But it's going down though. Okay, we're going down. We're gonna pull back here, give us a re-entry opportunity. Go ahead and enter here. And then I'll re-enter at the top. Okay, gold is dropping. Let's see. It's breaking. Alright, there's a 1 minute support zone right there. Let's see if it breaks that. It's a strong one. Alright, we're breaking little by little. Market haven't been moving too much, at least the past 24 hours. So I'm very hesitant here on what I'm going to do here for as entries. Alright, we just reached a support zone. Let's see. All right, guys, it's really slow. So again, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just trying to figure out where the direction is going. Right now, my bias is for sell. Let's see. Let's see if it goes all the way back up. What do you guys think gold is going to do? What do you guys think? I see Jared saying it's looking like a sell. Nas is looking like a sell too. What else you guys think this pair gonna do? Because gold right now is gonna give us the first move tonight, and then tomorrow, New York session, Nas is gonna make its move. So what are we thinking, man? Because the market, the past 24, been a little bit consolidating on the H1 time frame, and that's pretty much all we've been getting for a long time. So let's see what happens here soon. It's looking very bearish though overall, to be honest. Ooh, on the stochastic, H1 just crossed over for a sell. So it's selling. We just need to break that zone, man. I'm gonna send the pending order instead to test there. If it tests the daily, we could just enter there because that's the best entry for us overall. Yeah, it's consolidating, guys. Looks like a sell. Looks like it's bearish. Yeah, it's looking very bearish, but it's taking its sweet time to go. Like, yeah, best thing you could do is get in a pending order at the daily entry for the sell, which I'm gonna send right now to the team, because I think it may do a retest there. Or if you do manual enter now, just do a low risk so you don't risk that much of your account. just in case it pull back, because it usually does pull back before the big move happens. Usually. Okay, it's pushing up now. Let's see. Remember, guys, I told you there's a strong support zone from the Ichimoku cloud right here. That's what's holding price from not going down right exactly right now. But next time it comes back around and it breaks it, it's going to go down fast. But right now, it's not looking clear. That's why I would much rather give you guys a pending order at the daily, because it could just go there and test that daily now. Yeah, it's gonna push up a bit from what I could see at least. That strong support zone would not let it break, guys. This support zone right here. That line right there. If it breaks, great. If it doesn't, it's not going to at all. At least for right now. See if we break. Uh-oh. It's a crazy area right here right now. Let's see what price is gonna give us. I think it's gonna keep pushing up for right now. For right now. Not long term. For right now. The way it's looking. Trying, guys. Pushing up now. Little by little. From what I could see here. This is why you guys could see I'm a little hesitant on sending the signals, because it's like it's not fully timed just yet. Market is literally going up and down, consolidating, and we're trading at the right time. So we gotta understand the timing of the market and make the best out of it. But for right now, it's looking like it's gonna push up for a little buy before it actually does go for the sell. There it is. All green candles in the 1 minute now. Yeah, it's not ready yet for the sell. Let's see. Alright, let's see what we get. We should be going up there to the first tick profit. Top Bollinger Band on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, we're going up a little bit, as you guys could see. We really took our time with this one. I'm gonna close this one right here. It's wrong because it couldn't break my trend line that I had right there. You see that trend line? That's what's gonna push price for me. Pushing up now because it couldn't break that area. Let's see where it's gonna go to. There it is. Should definitely look for a buy-in position here instead, because we're going up. Let's put stop loss underneath that moving average. I mean that trend line right there. And that doesn't mean it's not going to sell. It's just not going to sell yet. That's all. There it is. You see how gold is pushing up now? So it could have tricked us. It could have easily tricked us. See how it's pushing up now? Came from bottom Bollinger Band to middle. Now it's gonna try to go to top Bollinger Band 1 minute. And then 5 minutes. Let's see. Test the 50 middle. It's gonna test this area now. Gonna push right back up. We at a 5 minute middle Bollinger Band right now. Let's see what it's gonna do. Let's see if we get a crossover under 1 minute. That's what it's waiting for. To see if it want to go higher. Alright, 50 MA is all green on the 1 minute. Who's about to push up. Yeah, you see? Notice how I was gonna take the sell trade, and what held me back from taking the sell trade is because on the indicator I could clearly see there was a strong support zone there on the 15-minute time frame right here, and I was saying I need price to fully break this exact line, which is the Ichimoku moving average, right? That's the Ichimoku moving average. I was waiting for price to fully breaks this, so I know we good for the sell, but unfortunately it did not. So now I'm waiting for price to give me the entry for the sell here, but in the meantime I'm not just gonna watch price go up there. I'm gonna get in it for a buy, take advantage of that buy move, but when it's time to really sell, we're gonna be in a sell and the team will be in that sell with me. That's how we trade, guys. It's pretty simple. We just need to wait on our confirmation before jumping into conclusion. That's why you see I took my time before I even just fully decided. I was just waiting to see what exactly the price is gonna do. So let's see. We still in a sell trend, guys. We still could get the sell moves. We just have to, like I said, be patient. Wait for pullbacks, because they are going to happen. And after pullback, we could lock in. Oh, there it is. It's gonna try to go do it now. Let's see. This sell looks vicious, man. It's not gonna give it up that easy. That 5 minute resistance zone is what's keeping it, trying to push it down like that.
It's a 14-month, make it look unreal. It's a 14-month, make it look so easy. It's a 14-month, make it look so easy. It's a 14-month, make it look unreal. It's a 14-month, make it look unreal. I ain't in on a rap 1 year, got a rap deal. I ain't in on a rap, ain't got a rap chick. Do it for my grand lord, nigga, and my ain't Nick. Cause the smell like a rich
Going down.
that she get with. You ain't seen me in a hood.
It didn't fully test that bottom Bollinger Band on that 1 minute. Let's see. I think it's gonna go down for the sell this time for real. Let's see. Damn, we've been in straight consolidation since we got on the call. Damn, guys. It be like that. We'll have days like that. And then we'll have days where we have crazy breakouts too. Alright, we selling. It's bearish. dude. Straight consolidation.
Niggas hide from me.
All right, we breaking out. Let's see. Sheesh, it's gonna be a big breakout. There it is. It's breaking out, guys. H4 is all bearish. Just hit the middle Bollinger Band. Alright, we're going down to bottom Bollinger Band now. Ooh, 5 minute moving average gave a nice entry. Let's see if it broke that area on the 15. Yeah, it broke it. It broke it. Oof. Let's see if we get a little pullback here or continuation. She gonna pull back right now. Yeah, we dropping. Let's see. We are dropping. Let's see if we get a retest at that support zone that was holding us back. This sell have a long way to go, guys, but we're gonna get some pullbacks before it really go crazy.
on me, yeah, buddy. I done run to the city, I cut in the Jesus, dream I live with a buddy. I done got in my wrist, go start to see some way, I feel like Cuddy. Next year we aim for Bugattis. Look at all the niggas who said, believe in the king, go inside it. Had to figure myself, I know they won't say me again, they got it. Put a blessing right in my pocket and let me forget and share my profit. This time I can never go back, I said what I said, dog, let's be honest. How many men got hung? How many men got high? How many men know truth? Hey, how many know their price? How many know they look like out of the mirror beside their eyes? Hey, once them shift their size, to put in the outside, let them decide. Life is a gamble, dog, nobody know who gon' ride. Life is a gamble, dog, you let you stay behind. Life is a gamble, dog, nobody know who gon' ride. Life is a gamble, dog, you stay behind. What they did, I'll never forget. But in the church and again, I mean like the landlord asked for rent. I can never complain, I'm starting again, I used to live in the trench. On the journey, we still outside, when I'm in the jungle, I set up the tent. Put in the bottom, I can't pretend. All the ones who think they smile on him, I don't see you again. And I know you thought I'm finished, inside of the business, now I got pain. Don't tell you proud of me, I got myself close to your friend. Left you talking about we don't understand, we know the friends. How many men got hung? Hey, how many men got high? How many men know truth? Hey.
Alright, sticky situation on goal right now, guys. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Entries right here was given in the 5-minute time frame. Okay. We ain't go far yet, guys, but it's giving signs that it wants to keep buying. It wants to keep selling. So let's just wait. If we get a retest at the 50 MA, that'll be great. Just hit the H1 support. Let's see. Crazy pullback, crazy pullback. All right, let's see what's going on. dropping. It's dropping. We at a support zone right now, so let's see what happens here. It's very crucial. All right, we got a retest right here. It's not gonna go higher than that, or at least trying to. Let's see. Off the book.
On that camera. The top drop is a dime. Panties in the window, baby, my kind of my mind. I'm coming in the winter every nasty. Cross country with no talking. It's routine, I do it solid. It's yours because you ballin'. Once they touch down, don't let me call it. Most niggas just be talking trap shit. I've been dead without me. They little boys, they do licious. Big bills with a bitch at they houses. They background checks be bouncing. His daddy ain't even vouching. More sisters on my grannies. Know I send bags to they houses.
Swell's getting ready to drop.
Pay bills in a few ounces. I'm twisted, keep they mouths in. I'm Birdman like a falcon. On God, I ain't no saint. I'm a big fish in this tank. They want me to pull up, but I can't. So fast, hit the gas and go boom. So my last bag, now it's back to the room. Don't me through that money, it just do something to my mood. 100 after 100 after 100, I hope you lose. Don't me through that money, it just do something to my mood. 100 after 100 after 100, I hope you lose.
It's breaking.
I wrote a letter to myself and said I needed love. That's about 5 years ago, it seemed I still ain't fine. Got 2 daughters, house, a lady, and $1 million plus. But I don't know if I'm gonna lose it, so I'm steady grinding. They say this shit here come and go. I can't let it come and go. Every word come out my throat, you know I'm trying to rhyme. They say this shit here come and go. I can't let it come and go. If you ever let it go, just know you can't rewind it. Remember granny used to pray for me. She been gone a while, so now who pray for me? Lost it all, so what come out they mouth, that shit ain't phasing me. I was on my ass collecting cash off at that agency. While you had mom and dad, I had no pad and I was raising me. While you had Nike bags, I tied some plastic with my daily needs. Car let me crash and take a bath and have a plate to eat. Still I had some A's and B's, still was pushing TLG. That's probably set it on my chest off in 3 DVDs. No, I can't forget about Asia and my missionary. Crazy how we fell out over J's and we don't even speak. Time goes on, was me and you, it was you and me. Some shit I just can't believe. Yeah, look, why you take that deal? Cause I work for it. Stingy with that paper cause I hurt for it.
It's dropping. Let's see if we get a pullback here. Rarely we'll get a pullback here, but let's see.
I just got a 10 for a first boy. They ain't fucking with my pen or they hurt boy. They making posts about me before they clocking in for work boy for real. God bless me with this chance, I made a vow to keep it real. Who wins cause I done faced so many challenges for real. I'm a Libra so that love and hate I balance it for real. I can lose it still. I wrote a letter to myself and said I needed love. That's about 5 years ago, it seemed I still ain't fine. Got 2 daughters, house, a lady, and $1 million plus. But I don't know if I'm gonna lose it, so I'm steady grinding. They say this shit here come and go. I can't let it come and go. Everywhere come out
Dropping.
you know I'm trying to rhyme. They say this shit here come and go. I can't let it come and go. If you ever let it go, just know you can't rewind it. Hey,
All right, gold did a nice little push already to the downside. It's confirming the sell trend right now.
I'm waiting on God to send my soulmate. She ain't come yet. I'm in the spot for real. I'm trapped until the sunset. I'm in the house. I ain't trying to be where the fun at. I need to stop fucking no girl, but I ain't done yet. Like damn, what the fuck I'm supposed to do? Only time a nigga feel at peace is when I'm close to you. Keep telling me how you
We had support zone. Let's see if we break. I think we're gonna get a pushback at the trend line. Let's see.
Every time he hit you up, I been trying to kill him through the phone. How this bitch done broke the code and got me on this sad shit. Got me thinking is this whole my karma from my last bitch, yeah. This hoe trying to stick around until this cash hit, yeah. Don't let me catch that nigga cause I'm a crash chick. I don't need this hoe around me, but I don't want this shit to end. Shit playing with my brain, she got me turning on all my friends. She don't want me to tell I promise, I don't know how to keep them in. I be good without her, not fall back in love when we speak again. Yeah, I'm waiting on God to send my soulmate, she ain't come yet. I'm in the spot for real, I'm trapped into the sunset. I'm in the house, I ain't trying to be where the fun at. I need to stop fucking no girl, but I ain't done yet. Like damn, what the fuck I'm supposed to do? Only time a nigga feel at peace is when I'm close to you. Keep telling me how your heart was broke, my heart was broken too. She telling me that she falling out of love, I know it's true.
Dropping. Alright, floating on here. Oh shit. This one is wrong. Oh my god. Tripping. Alright, we pushing lower on gold. Alright, we're gonna get a pullback here and then we're gonna lock in on this sell. Let's see.
Give a fuck what you said, give a fuck what you thought. Tell me when you doing better, saying that you need some time on your own. You tryna get broke and famous, nigga, I'd rather be rich and I know how you going, it's too fast to live. Baby saying we too young to die, I been knowing that ain't no regret. Yeah, I know it ain't too hard to lie. In this shit, you gon' get what you get. How you saying it's too hard to try? If you seen all the shit through my lens, probably make all your shit multiply. Don't say much if you know that you know. Say you riding and ride a roll. Say you tryna get fried to go. Let me know, baby, I could do both. It's a lot that I feel I don't show. I ain't tryna hit nothing for no nigga. Oh, figured you out by the ones you can't proud. You know what you want by them places you go. You tell me you can't real. Tell me wishing the cap still. I know I just want phone call away, but I ain't just die now. You still wanna die feel. You still wanna die feel. Yeah, that way you I feel. That ain't like that feel. Let the message on red. I'm not tryna talk. Give a fuck what you say. Give a fuck what you thought. Tell me when you doing better. Saying that you need some time on your own. You tryna get broken famous. Nigga, I'd rather be rich and unknown. How we going? It's too fast to live. Baby saying we too young to die. I be knowing that ignorant play. Yeah, I know it ain't too hard to lie. In this shit, you gon' get what you give. How you saying it's too hard to try? If you seen all the shit through my lens, probably make all your shit multiply.
Gold is dropping.
Sometimes shit slow. I'm chain, nigga. How this shit go? I'm out of Hit one shot, nigga. Shit, why not? Long way, that blue has to get to the top. Every time you see me going better than before. Sometimes shit fast, sometimes shit slow. I'm better maintain, nigga, how this shit go. Fast runner, I was supposed to see my mama cook dope. Manifest before I got it like I seen it. Took another loss, thought that I was dreaming. Street shit cool, but it ain't always the same. Nigga, you can have it all, but it's all about your reason. Nigga, what's your purpose? I ain't acting funny, nigga, just working. Instead of asking price, nigga, gon' make a purchase. How to get bad news, phone ring, get nervous. Oh, bro, we gon' make it, nigga, you ain't gotta worry. Shit gon' happen when it happen, nigga, deal in the hurt. I can move the whole box, nigga, I ain't gotta touch it. Seen you win 36, tryna rush it. I know that nigga made a boy shoot like Curry. When you playing on that plane, sometimes get scary. I knew this shit was coming other day like I seen it. Got my first 100 racks, man, I thought that I was dreaming. Got my first 100 racks, man, I thought that I was dreaming. See a nigga shining, everything what he seen me. I'm through 100 racks, first time, couldn't believe it. Street shit cool, but everything ain't what he seen me. Getting money cool, but I think peace better. Summertime streets cold, nigga better keep a sweater. I don't care to be the best, I don't care who better. Turn a vision for them Z's, go set, nigga can't settle. Long way from that blue house, we headed to the top. I remember days you heading on the block. Mama told me give it all you got, can't stop. Only get one shot, is this shit, why not? What a team gotta do it, can't quit. Everything I grind, I ain't have to hit a lead. Real niggas run the world in the end, make sense. I ain't judging nobody, when you broke, gotta fit. Niggas on that slime shit, niggas think that shit cool. But I been told you, nigga in the streets is no rule. I don't wanna stab me in the bed, gotta keep it two. We ain't had much, made it do what it do. Been a smart nigga tryna get a skill school. Sell a grammar, both players, nigga.
Alright, we're gonna get a pullback on gold, which is gonna give us our opportunity to re-enter if we didn't enter yet. Let's look. We just broke the H1 support. We're gonna keep going lower. It's tough. Let's see how big of a pullback we're gonna get here. At least not 50%, but back to bottom Bollinger Band. We could get it on a 1 minute.
Slide out the garage. I got 100 cars. Just for the underdogs. The teller just asked me how I want the cash. I told him 100 large. I want the gold wraps. Printed up double R. Big dog, big dog, big dog. Roof. Popping out saying I'm Drake. Ooh, Biscayne drive, I cut off my roof. You know how I'm coming this take. Two. Tell a nigga, get out the way. 4x4 big batches. They thought I was canceled. I piped up and flipped the channel. LST on the brim, they think we win. I just talked to my brother. Shit ain't safe when you fucking with the underdog. I might bite when shit get rough. I'm trying to have paper, rob a crash and put a Tom Brady on a stab. Put up on Drake, talking crime and keep up with the waves. Straight out of cloud out the garage. I got 100 cars, just for the underdogs. The teller just asked me how I want the cash. I told him 100 large.
Keep going down lower. Let's see.
Printed up double R. Made the Ferrari slide on the 91. 105, press the gas in the slower zone. I like PJ so much I might buy me one. Suicide on the fan of my sliding door. Remaining solid, ain't changed no code. Ain't got no time to be chasing no bitch. Ain't got no time to be playing this safe. No, no. Slide out the garage. I got 100 cars. It's for the underdogs. The teller just asked me how I want the cash. I told him 100 large. I want the gold wraps. Printed up double R.
All right, gold is gonna keep dropping, guys. Be ready.
been a bitch, I'm the type of nigga that'll take that $500,000. Skied up in her, already know she fixed, so she can't have my chin. Mansion come with 2-3 kitchens. Lil' bro in here, water whipping. Shit you niggas be doing, be fishing. I won't serve you if you hit. I don't wanna talk too much inside my music, cause they might come and get me. She don't like fucking at the house, so we have sex in the city. Cut off my social media, I'm in trapper mode. Ain't leaving the city until I get my fucking package gone. She like getting on FaceTime, but I be calling off my trapper phone. 21 racks I made today, fuck nigga, I just went savage mode. Bitch, I'm back to ballin', back to capping, back to scheming, back to clapping. I touch them niggas when I record it. They be jocking the way I rap it. Sell me 100 plays just off my face. They liking the way I bag. I was sitting back in that cut 2023, now then you pussies have it. I was on the hot boys trying to get me a brick just like Beatrice. 20K one play, I made that cap, then put 10 in my mattress. Don't believe in luck, I bought me a ticket and I ain't even scratch it. I like your vibe, but I just can't take you home cause you a ratchet. Bitch, you out your mind if you ain't fixed, I'm hitting you with a plastic. Them niggas gon' hate to see me win, they rather me in a casket. On Sunday morning, I pay my tithes and fill up every basket. I'm on IG scrolling through your pics, trying to see which one the fattest. I seen them niggas trying to steal my swag, so I had switched the flow up. I pour a couple shots of brown and make that little bitch throw up. Them niggas been throwing dirt on my name, but they don't need much know us. We got into shootouts in my dream, and my little nigga froze up. I was in the trap house serving clean, them niggas like, what's the hold up? Brody in the back, he slicing meat, you can come through, get you a cold cut. I don't like them skinny bitches at all, I like my little bitch robust. I put on 1942, I keep my little bitch toe up. Back to ballin', might open up my trap, they done got back to calling. Back to tricking, might go and bust my wrist, this bitch like half a chicken. Fuck a dinner, bitch, I'm the type of nigga that'll take that $500,000. Skied up in her, already knowin' she fixed, so she can't have my chillin'. Mansion come with 2-3 kitchens. Lil' bro in here, water whipping. Shit you niggas be doing, be fishing. I won't serve you if you hit. I don't wanna talk too much inside my music, cause they might come and get me. She don't like fucking at the house, so we have sex in the city.
Pull back and go just a little bit, and then he's gonna keep selling.
Get no fuck what you say, I made me cause I'm a lady. Straight from the city, used to serve on the south, I made racks from selling these addict. Ain't on the kid on no wild, just tryna hit the bank, get another deposit. Fuck all that clout, it's a motherfucking drop, you go broke, they ain't gon' do nothing about it. I got the penthouse, I got the big house, I got the Benzo polished. Up at the window, a fucking endo, it's a real deal, blue stratus. I have it ill, no mileage. But got the pink toe, it's a little figure hoe, I told the strip like violence. I can go through like a challenge. I can go through like a trio, tack, banging and reload. Niggas don't like to play B-roll. I'm gonna give me a B-roll. You know how I come. Got the pretty little sluts at the nut at the P-hole. Straight from the slump. Looking go across the coast with the folks call me Gio. And a bitch lift a whole kilo. I catch a hoe like T.O. Nigga ain't let my peon. Put him on game, I coach like Dion. Burnt that hoe, you a rerun. Seen it before, and I'm cool on the free on. Wanna still counting up money on. Came a long way from the Eon. I got the blue strip, I bought the blueprint, I bought the Tesla Elon. Pulling some pink slip, I bought the key chip, I get Hellcat the key on. Put more than can't get a refund. You know that's a no-no, you before the promo, made my bitch glow like neon. Call up a friend, had 3 fun. I can go through like a trio, type of banging and reload. Niggas don't let it play B-roll. I'm gonna give me a B-roll. You know how I come. Got the pretty little sluts at the nut at the P-hole. Straight from the slump. Looking go across the coast with the folks call me Gio.
There goes the pullback. It's gonna be nice. Not gonna be too much. Just enough.
This is Dallas. OC. Been a while, I've been going through the bullshit. Baby, don't trip, yeah, you know I'ma be fine. Roll on every time you going through shit. Not the first time that you know you getting high. No crossing line when you acting like a fool. When you outside, with one chance, one try. If you ain't right, don't be acting like you do it. If it's all over, it's time you don't need me. You know I'm started. This shit been all in. Shawty say you Hollywood. Fuck what you call it. Acting like I want it, but I don't want it. You can see it's too late. Baby, I'm on it. Movie, fuck Blu-ray. You see I'm wildin'. I just check the watch, check the clock, it's my time. And he hang me just too live. I got an out vibe. So fly, it'll make a nigga stop styling. Yo, I know, yeah, you thought of what you had. We back no more, shot lagging. Showing that it's not making niggas stop bragging. Getting fly, that's the passion. You call it fashion. Talk shit, bitch, I talk shit. You call it rapping. Louder, got me coughing, this shit caution. Houston, I just did the dash to Austin and New York.
Gold selling right now still.
Some new money, all blue honey. Got a bitch light skin and thick, look like Lord London. Took a 4-month break, nigga coming back this summer. Niggas gon' get they self indicted tryna prove something. I ain't gotta prove shit, cause I'm used to the money. Listen to this shit, nigga, motivate you, get some money. Show the bitch a hoe head, nigga, use a dumb. Ain't got no street sense to run it up, nigga, use a flunky. Young boss, nigga, that shit overstood. Young OG love my work, every other day I'm in your hood. Chain hurt a nigga neck, I had to take a break. Monday to Monday, we working, we don't take no breaks. I just left from North Point, spent the 10 ball.
Alright, let's see how far this pullback could go.
Nigga, could you think it's small? Always thinking for the team, we all got a ball. White tee and Nike shorts, they think a nigga broke. I'ma be here for a while, I'm smarter than you folks. We in the big conductor bin and look the other way. Me and Big Sir just counted up 100K. I talk to many, stay focused, we gon' be okay. Survival of the fittest, gotta make it home every day. You ain't hit me getting them, but taking out my plate. Tryna put a passion, nigga, been knew you was fake. I'm tired of being humble, tryna pop my shit. Last week, flew out of town with a model bitch. You know the main goal, tryna go legit. Rap shit fail, still got a plug on this shit. Nigga always talking what they used to have. You still got it, still in your bag. All them loans over with, you and I said. Should've put some up, but you was doing it for the gram. Meanwhile, I'm doing good, I'm still in my bag. Make $1 off them loans, I would've invested that cash. Still got the bet, 200 on the day. Never pay the bill, acting like you haven't capping ass. I'm on my fourth condo, I get a lot of money. You still living with your mama, man, I swear you niggas funny. I ain't even tryna brag, just tryna motivate. But sir told me I've been too humble, put it in their face. Nigga, this some new money. All blue honey, got a bitch light skin and thick, look like Lord London. Took a 4-month break, nigga coming back this summer. Niggas gon' get they self indicted tryna prove something. I ain't gotta prove shit, cause I'm used to the money. Listen to this shit, nigga, motivate you, get some money. Show the bitch a hoe head, nigga, use a dumb. Ain't got no street sense to run it up, nigga, use a flunky. bitch kinky, I like Girl Scouts. Put my hand in the trunk, I'm swimming through the storm. Camera in front of me. Saving all my funds, looking at the nickel with no money, with nobody there. This shit take like it done, like a rocket, I'm a lunch, but the bun, did it, it was bad. I put diamonds in my Cartier. She ain't got no money, I guess she nonsense. And then who was broke, you gon' die me. Give me this that drip inside my closet. Only hit the back, that big deposit. It feel like it, I love boys. Shop a hard it, I need all this. I'm like 45, she a size 6. With the skydive, big black dog, stars on the collar. The Vinci Rock Wilder, I don't roll water. Nice wide bodies, touring on the charter. I was on the fine, trying to dodge the violence. Watch your perfect time.
Bro, dropping crazy. All right, let's see if we could keep holding this gold sell team, and I'll keep you guys updated on how everything goes. Yes, sir. Let's go, let's go. We locked in. It's dropping right now. Crazy. Let's go, it's dropping. Let's go.
Sometimes I just wish that being real, it could just go viral. Sometimes I just wish that I could put some codeine on my rider. Sometimes I'm a combo taker. Sometimes I'm
Let's go, let's go.
Sometimes I got too much paper, it be falling out my pockets. So, baby, would you ride if I said it was a lonely road? They gon' have to confiscate my cup before I overdose. Late night, fuck you on the balcony to trace home. Hand it to me, baby, give me something I can take home.
Montana. See you there. I'm over here in South Dallas. Pull up on me a late spot. Yeah.
Doing numbers inside the trap. Me and Gunna did a 50 ball. 10,000 for a 10 pack. Send a profit, I'ma spend it all. I ain't tryna eat by myself. Better when you're playing team ball. Pass bags run to everybody. Gotta make sure the team ball. Pass bags run the whole city. Gotta make sure my niggas eat. I was serving in the highway.
Alright, let's see.
Now everybody tryna front me. I was seeing what they don't see. Still hands on with the money. Everybody wanna be the boss. Till them people start coming. Keep doing business on the
We may get a crazy pullback here, guys. Be ready.
tryna see a nigga face. Unless he tryna get 100. High speed on them head town. I ain't tryna do no running. Doing numbers inside the trap. Me and Gutter did a 50 ball. 10,000 for a 10 pack. Send a profit, I'ma spend it all. I ain't tryna eat by myself. Better when you're playing team ball. Pass bags, run to everybody. Gotta make sure the team ball.
Feel like that I'm a big big. You full spot, let you ball weed. Rap slow, need a CP. Trap roll hard, fuck on tweets.
Alright, gold already have shown us, guys, that it's going for the sell long term. So after this pullback here, it's gonna be a great entry opportunity for the sell.
How you say you from the city, you don't know big you, nigga T-King. I'm on bigger now through my nigga trap. Back on 35, headed to the south. Make one play, make 40,000 with the G.O. Put it in my mouth. That's 2 months, make 30 billion. Out legal money, rap doing well. Rolling in a Benson, chick, but I'm still out here trying to make a sale. For some reason, I just can't quit. Cool nigga, get a nigga hit. Thank God, I done will a G. Can't show my face, still in a beat.
Doing numbers inside the trap. Me and Gutter did a 50 ball. 10,000 for a 10 pack. Send a profit, I'ma spend it all. I ain't tryna eat by myself. Better when you're playing team ball. Pass bags, run to everybody. Gotta make sure the team ball. Doing numbers inside the trap. Me and Gutter did a 50 ball. 10,000 for a 10 pack. Send a profit, I'ma spend it all. I ain't tryna eat by myself. Better when you're playing team ball. Pass bags, run to everybody. Gotta make sure the team ball.
Go to TV. Boy, yo, niggas, y'all gonna be big, nigga, believe that. The new Dallas. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Look at our stands, tell out shaking our hands, keep a little bit my plan, you got the cat like him, got her to see with the trees, she off the leash, you see what I'm saying, shot at me doing her thing, she for the streets, and still got a man, ain't gotta speak, and I ain't pressed, she wanna eat, I with her eyes, she wanna eat, she wanna die, oh me, head to the side, slipping the slide, slipping the ride, in the GT, I like the fine, niggas the nine, call me a ride, call up a tree.
What's up? What's up? Good looking berry still. We going to get a pullback though. This is the pullback we about to get right now to get more entries on. All right, guys, I gotta go get some rest so I could wake up later for London. So So I'm gonna end the session here. But overall, gold already show its true colors. All right, so we're gonna get a continuation of sales on gold. Just be patient for it. And with that being said, I'm gonna talk to you guys soon.